Hi, Tess. This is Dora. I spoke with Alicia earlier today, and she thought you might be the one to watch this video. It should be really short, and it's just going to show you a couple things to rank just a little bit higher, maybe pull in some more traffic, all things you guys can do yourself. So I'll just get started so it's not too long. I just searched for a restoration company in Colorado Springs just to kind of give some sort of a comparison. And it looks like, this company, Restoration Service Colorado Springs, came up as your main competitor. So that's just what I'll kind of compare it with. So I do notice that you guys aren't in the map pack, which kind of surprised me. But in order to get into the top 3 on the map pack, all you have to do is maybe increase those citations, get more of your information from your Google business page out there into as many directories as you can. And then also make sure that your Google business page is completely set up and optimized, and that you're updating it with pictures and such on a regular basis. That'll help you to rank in the top 3 on MapPack, which will help you to pull in more business. So also, let's just look at your site real quick. You guys do a lot of things, so it's really awesome that you've got some great pictures and stuff on here. And then all of your locations, that's helpful too for people. So that's great. Excuse me. The one thing I would recommend would be to have more content on your site. And the reason I say that is on your homepage is because right now when Google sends out their crawlers, they're not just reading the site anymore to check to see if it's relevant information. They are also counting how many words you have on your site. And right now, the ideal number of words that seems to work really well for getting on the first page and staying there is about 1,500 words of content. So if you do that, that's going to help you to move up pretty easily, I believe, on the Google business or on the Google page to number 1. So I'm just going to look at the competitor. Their site is not any better than yours. It might have a little more content, but if it does, it's not a ton more. So they are probably ranking higher due to their backlinks and such, which we will look at right now. So right now, your company has a domain rating of 18, which is basically the power that you have with Google. And your URL rating would be the trust, and that's a 10. Now, Google does like to have, like a 1-to-1 ratio. So that would be ideal here. And you can see that changing as you add quality backlinks. It's going to make those numbers go up. So let's look at the backlinks real fast. You do have 45 of them, so that's a great job. They have their own domain rating and their own URL rating, which is what helps your website because your website will actually pull some of the power from these from their domain rating. So that's what helps you to rank higher. So I am going to sort this by power. And so right now it looks like your most powerful link is a 70. It has a good trust value on it, but ideally you'd want to get some of those links that are up there in the 80s and 90s just because they will help you quite a lot. And I'll show you here in just a minute how to just pull some more of those because we want to look at your keywords real quick. So it's great that you have 40 keywords that you're ranking for. The only problem with it is that you're not pulling in any traffic because of it. So let's just look and see what you've got here. All right. So 90 people look for mold removal and in Castle Rock each month, but you're ranking number 41 for that, which is why you don't have anybody reaching out to you each month. Mold remediation, there's 80 people. As you can see, this is the volume of all the people of these keywords of the people that are reaching out every month. And so if you can rank in the top 5 normally over here for that keyword, it will definitely help you to bring in more business that way. Mold removal, Colorado Springs, 150 people are looking for that each month. So the volume is there. You just need to utilize those keywords a bit, and it will help you when you have more content on your website to be able to utilize those keywords. So now the competitor, let's see, their domain rating's a 0.4, their UR is a 6, but they do have 138 backlinks. And let's see what their power. All right, so they're not in the 90s yet, but they are higher, and they do have some more trust on some of them, and that is probably why they're outranking you. So this is a really easy way to be able to use the backlinks. You can do this for all your competitors. Now, the program I use is Ahrefs, but there are other ones out there that are a little bit more cost friendly for you, but you can go through and click on each one of your competitors' backlinks. I would say the ones that are 50 or higher, maybe 60 or higher, and you can add your information to those backlink, whatever that backlink company is or person is. Backlinks are not normally exclusive. Usually multiple businesses will use the same backlinks. Every once in a while, you'll run into one that is exclusive or one that's paid for, and you can decide to either find another one similar to it, or like the paid one, you can decide if you want to just pay for it. And let's look at their keywords. So they have 52 keywords, and they are bringing in 47 people reaching out to them each month. So let's see which ones are working for them. Okay, Restoration Colorado Springs, 150 people look for that each month. And right now, since they're in position number 3, they are having 20 people reach out to them each month. I don't know if that doesn't mean that they have their business, but at least they're reaching out. So Restoration Companies, Colorado Springs, 100 people look for that each month. Water restoration, 70 people. Down here, water damage restoration, 100 people. So all of these numbers really add up. There is definitely the volume there for you to pull in a decent amount of traffic from the internet. So just do those few little things, and that's going to help you rank higher, and it's going to help you make some of this business your own. So anyway, I hope you have a great evening, and I will talk to you tomorrow. I just want to see if you have any information to find out if this was helpful for you.